This little piece that I'm holding cost $345. And at first look, it sounds like a straight up scam. And it kind of is, but it's very complicated. Let me explain why. You see, about 2 months ago, this little piece, in a spectacular fashion, failed on my Cammus LC100 pedals. And after contacting support, I was told that they cannot help me and cover this under warranty because this happened from normal wear. However, these pedals had barely use on them, so it was clearly not from normal use. But the biggest problem was not that. It was the fact that they do not sell any spare parts, and the only possible fix was to buy a brand new pedal set, which is $259 plus additional $86 for shipping, making the total price go up to $345. That is expensive. So I decided to make a little video, sharing my experience and kind of complaining, because honestly it was absurdly comical. The next morning, I was bombarded with messages from Cammus. They clearly did not like that video. We reached a little agreement that they will send me the replacement part and I will delete that video. Now they also mentioned that they clearly saw what was wrong and they realized what happened, so I hope this is not special treatment for content creator because that would generally just suck, and I hope they do this to every person who suffers problems like that. So let's go fix it. So this box actually is extremely light, only 0.18 kilograms, so I'm pretty sure they probably just sent me that little thing that failed on me. And the worst thing is that Cammus don't actually sell spare parts, so this is literally like a very special package. So that is literally the package. Okay, I can see that part back there, but apart from that, it is extremely small. I should have probably gotten some scissors for this, but who needs them anyways? There's so much plastic. That's killing so many turtles by doing this. So here's the two parts side by side, and you can see how this, I guess, normal part looks straight. And this other part that failed on me, well, it's bent. And you can clearly see what happened exactly. Let's just try to install this thing into the actual current pedal set. Now, one thing I remembered about this possibly being special content creators, I guess, treatment is their initial reaction was for me to remove the video so I can, I guess, not make them look bad for the internet, which is a bit of a weird thing to see. It almost felt like if I was just a normal person using this, I would have not received this part. And they mostly sent me this part just so I would remove my old video, which I guess I will do it. I mean, I will make it unlisted. I will leave the link in the description so you can check out what happened exactly. So there goes all these things of, I don't remember how these things work exactly, and like what order these goes, these black things. I think that's the right order. I mean, I'm not sure. Right. And now I guess I need to try to put these bolts back in. Now this might be a bit tricky to put in because I'll have to retract the spring a little bit in order to make it actually fit the holes. But I hope we'll be able to get it. Now I wanna still hold it so I won't bend this bolt. Now it is a bit weird because as you can see on the left, the gap is, there's a little bit of a gap, and on the right there is no gap, and I'm not sure whether it should be like that, but the screws are fully in, so I'm not sure actually, but it feels a bit weird. Now to just make sure, I'm gonna take these pedals out here on the table and I wanna just double check if all the bolts are fully screwed in, so we won't have another failure like this happened in the future. I guess now it's time to install it on a sim rig. Okay, now let's see whether it actually works. Perfect. It works very nice. Oh, that's lovely. I guess now let's just see how it works in games. In this situation, I realize how awful is my setup. My earphones barely reach my ears, and it feels like I can tore them apart at any second. I need something that's a bit longer because this is barely impossible. Also, my screen is so far away because I'm trying to make the light shine well at the pedals, but that makes me sit extremely far away from the screen, and my screen is very small, so it's actually really funny. Also, microphone barely reaches me, so if it's gonna look bad and be also bad, just like, I'm sorry. I'm very much not used to this. but I guess I'll need to take time to actually get used to these pedals, because they feel really nice. Like, I wanna sit more back, but my earphones don't reach me, so I have to sit like a grandpa. Oh, hold it. Oh my god. Not last, please, that. Yeah, the seating position is not the best. But we're testing the pedals, not the seating position, and the pedals feel, well, it feels great. Although that was a bit stupid to use a car that doesn't require me to use the clutch, because the point was to try the clutch. It works, basically. It works fine. I need to use to these pedals so much because I'm braking so badly now. But it feels so nice, actually. Oh, I'm dead. Well, it works. It's nice. Thank you for watching.